What is up, everybody? It's me, Mike McCune, coming at you with another video. Today, I'm bringing you this haunted item I got off eBay. So let's get right into it. I can kind of feel the energy just by holding it, and it's not even out of the package yet. So, hold on. Get my knife, y'all. My bad. I gotta be careful because there's supposed to be a spirit attached to this photo. And I don't want to, if it is truly haunted and she's really attached to it. So. Hold on, y'all. So, I'm trying to be careful with it as possible. What the hell? Oh. Alright, yeah. Okay. First thing first is look at these little crystals you get. Look at these, y'all. These purple crystals. You get those. Wow, that's what I got. Got a couple more here. And in a form, crystals are used in paranormal investigations and all that. So, like, a lot of times, you know, psychics use them for protection against evil. Stuff like that. So, I don't know. But let's get to the good stuff. Got the letter here. Let me read the letter real quick. Look at this. It says this. So basically, this is telling you how to take care of her, this spirit that's attached to this photo. I don't know. So basically, it's, you know, some she gets used to right away, like the owners and stuff. First of all, I don't know if she actually exists. That's what I'm trying. That's why I got her for. So apparently it's a spirit attached to this photo, and I'm about to show you it. This is it. Psych. That's not it. This is it. That's her, y'all. And it shows this. Mama at 43. She was 43 years old when she passed away. I can get goosebumps just holding this thing. yeah, guys. Like, wow. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, too. But yeah, this thing is really delicate. It's old. It says it dated back to the 1800s. Should be on here. Okay. So, anyway, yeah, it did say 1800s though on eBay. So she's very, like, they say she's very delicate, you know, take care of her. But I don't know. See, I have to find out if I can catch anything on here or anything like that. Or here, I'm gonna put the picture down. Put these crystals here. There we go. Okay, that's the fan. But y'all, is that me or does that look like a noose? Sorry, y'all. Right here. That looks like a noose. And it looks like a stain that never came out. But yeah, guys, that's the spirit, the haunted item I got off eBay. And we're gonna find out if it's really haunted, of course. But yeah, crystals, that was cool. They might be protection or something like that, but anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more unboxings like this in the future. I'll do so. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you're new. Comment down below. What do you think about this picture, and all that? So that's the haunted item I got, and we're gonna review it. Probably it should be uploaded by tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Peace out.